you're working with a complicated tile project, you got all kinds of options to lay it out. One company has a very high-tech approach. The Cornerstone Classic is a one-of-a-kind laser layout tool. We met the inventor to get the lowdown.
You might think this tool looks like a flying saucer, and it even shoots laser beams.
We're expecting that people will love this tool when they use it.
It's the Laser Cornerstone from Origin Tools, and buying one is going to set you back about $5,000. Its inventor believes it's worth it because it'll replace a handful of tools that'll keep you plumb, square, and level, whether you're building or remodeling.
I wanted to make a tool that would make the contractor's job easier, something that would give them all the information that they needed right away in a single tool.
Just set it up on a pole or stable location, and 3 lasers are ready to shoot plumb lines and level markers to keep tile and woodworking jobs straight and level.
Okay, so that's a level line right there. Okay, so this is my chair rail right here. So if we put this right in line with that laser line there, then if this is level with my grout line on my brick wall there.
That's right.
With the Cornerstone, you don't have to snap chalk lines anymore.
Accuracy is very important. I mean, in a field where you have a tape measure that goes down to a 1/16 of an inch, and the Cornerstone laser goes to 1/32 of an inch over 100 feet, I mean, that's next to perfect.
Touch the auto level button and tiny motors in the base go to work to make sure the lasers are shooting straight.
This crosshair is a square line right here, so I can check to see if my grout lines are square to that laser line.
Absolutely.
The laser guide you see on the floor matches up with lines on the ceiling. That's great for hanging beams and light fixtures.
Just set it there and go.
To see how they make the high-tech piece, we went to this machine shop in Santa Cruz, California. That's where they take raw materials.
This is a block of 7075 aircraft alloy aluminum.
Put them in this heavy-duty joint and watch them take shape.
This is a computer numerical control horizontal milling machine. It's got a 15,000 RPM, 40 horsepower motor.
As it forms a housing for the Laser Cornerstone, this cool cutter actually changes its tools nearly 200 times.
We have milling cutters, we have thread mills that cut threads, we have ball mills that cut surface geometry, drills, taps.
Every move is controlled by software that follows the exact contours of the tool's design. But even this baby leaves a few rough spots when it's done.
After the parts are machined, we're going to put them in this tumbler with this abrasive media to remove the sharp edges.
Smooth parts come out of the tumbler and head for inspection in this joint, called a coordinate measuring machine, or CMM.
It's going to measure our part and compare it to the engineer's original solid model.
The CMM detects flaws as small as 40 millionths of an inch. Only perfect pieces move on to be hand-assembled by the designer, Tim Litvin, at the Origin Tools headquarters.
All of these dozens of parts finally come together to create an optical engine. This is really the heart of the Cornerstone Classic.
To round out the tool, liquid levels are inserted. Then each laser gets a final calibration. But this luxury machine's not done until
You add the custom hardwood grips, and you got yourself a Cornerstone Classic.
the Origin Laser Cornerstone is one handmade tool that'll keep you on the level.